Hello everyone. I'm going to show you an incredible trick to fix this drill battery. You see, it's completely dead and won't charge with its original charger. I will use this electric drill to screw the screws into this piece of wood. But look, my drill isn't working even though I've pressed the button multiple times. It's a classic case of a seemingly full battery with no actual power. This often happens with older, where the internal electronics get confused, preventing the drill from drawing power. Now I will insert this dead battery into the dedicated charger. The light indicates it's ready. The red light on the charger indicates charging, and green means fully charged. When I try to charge the battery, notice the green light on the charger. This indicates that it's not recognizing the battery, or it's unable to initiate a charge. It's essentially unresponsive. It's stuck in a dead state. To clearly mark this dead battery, I'll place a white sticker on it and draw a big X. Instead of buying a new battery, I'm going to repurpose an old laptop charger. These often provide a steady DC voltage that can effectively jumpstart deeply discharged batteries, bypassing their finicky internal management systems. I'll carefully strip the outer insulation from the cut end of the laptop charger wire. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. Inside, you'll find several smaller wires. I'm focusing on the main power lines. I'll strip the ends of these specific wires, revealing the copper strands. This exposure is crucial for making our electrical connections. To ensure I have the correct voltage and polarity, I'm using a multimeter. I'll connect the probes to the stripped wires. I connected the blue and black wires to the multimeter. The readings were only 0 volts. Next, I connected the blue and white wires to the multimeter. As you can see, it reads around 19.1 to 19.3 volts, which is perfect for this battery. It looks like the blue wire is negative and the white one is positive. I'm going to attach alligator clips to the strip wires. The black clip goes to the negative blue wire, and the red clip to the positive white wire. These clips will provide a secure, temporary connection to our battery. This creates a flexible and secure connection for our battery. I'll ensure the wires are twisted tightly into the clips to make sure we have excellent conductivity. A loose connection can cause heat or inefficient charging, so taking a moment here is really important for good results. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. Now, I'm placing these small metal washers directly onto the battery terminals. These act as solid points for our alligator clips to connect, allowing for a direct and stable current flow to the internal cells of the battery. They fit perfectly. I'll connect the red alligator clip to the positive terminal and the black clip to the negative. It's absolutely critical to observe the correct polarity to avoid damaging the battery or charger. Now, the charging process using the laptop charger begins. This bypasses the original faulty charger, bringing our dead battery back to life. This custom setup has successfully overridden whatever was preventing the original charger from working. I'm now disconnecting everything. I'll remove the laptop charger from the power strip, then carefully detach the alligator clips and washers from the battery terminals. Now, just to be sure, I'll connect the original drill charger again. And yes, it's showing a red light, indicating it's now properly charging. Our custom intervention worked, making the battery responsive to its intended charger once more, proving this hack is effective. And there you have it. Our previously dead battery, marked with the X, is now fully charged and ready to go. I'm attaching it back to the drill. Our dead power drill battery has been fully revived, all thanks to a little ingenuity and a repurposed laptop charger. Let's test it out. See how effortlessly it drives these screws into the wood? This homemade charging solution truly brought this battery back from the brink. It's amazing what you can do with a little ingenuity and some repurposed electronics. It's driving screws effortlessly with all the power it should have. This incredible DIY trick not only saves you money on a new battery, but also gives you the satisfaction of fixing something yourself. Don't forget to subscribe for more fantastic DIY ideas. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.